Day 46 to 55 Introduction. Welcome to the Integration Zone. This is where the game flips again. Until now, we've been clearing, flushing, blessing, commanding. But here we start weaving it all back together. You'll notice a shift. We're no longer just releasing old programs. We're recoding the field itself. We'll question what the past is even for, what the body is for, and who really wrote the script you've been acting out. And then we'll install something new, a source line command. That's when you stop asking permission from time, history, or identity, and you anchor the I am directive straight into your field. Integration is not about going back to normal. It's about upgrading the operating system so the past has no grip. The body is seen as light tech, and reality bends to love's command. By the end of this arc, you'll know how to stabilize in that field. So life stops being a reaction and starts being a broadcast. Let's go.